sitting. Soft silver drops are dancing on the glass, watching the busy people as they pass. Oh, it's a spring rain melody, whispering secrets just for you and me. The scent of roasted beans and amber there, finding a little peace while sitting there. The velvet piano plays a gentle tune, chasing away the shadows of the afternoon. No need to rush, no need to go nowhere, just the rhythm of the rain and a quiet prayer. Oh, it's a spring rain melody, whispering secrets just for you and me. The scent of roasted beans and amber there, finding a little peace while sitting there. Raindrops falling light, everything's gonna be alright in this little cafe tonight.